What is up, everyone? This is Multi-Turtles here, and today I'm going to show you how to leave a comment in Google Slides. So let's get right into this. So once you have like either your own presentation ready and you want to leave a comment for yourself or for someone, or you're reviewing someone's or looking at someone's slide and you want to like leave some feedback or whatever the situation might be, right? You basically go to the page wherever the slide is. Let's say for this one example where it says subscribe to my channel, you either highlight the whole thing or the specific point that you want to leave a comment to. You basically right click into it and you click into this comment button over here to leave your comment. You can either leave a comment as a note per se, where it doesn't tag to anyone, or you could press the @ button to basically tag an individual who you want to, wherever you want to share this file with, or you have already shared this file with, and basically let them like know, or whatever the situation is, right? Whatever comment you wanted to leave. So you can either leave it to an individual, or you can leave one to yourself without writing anything in there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash the like, guys, and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and Multi-Turtles out. Peace.